I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on indefinite integrals. We are solving questions based on antiderivatives. The formula, which you should remember, is written right there to solve these questions. Integral of a to the power of bx plus c dx is 1 over b times a to the power of bx plus c divided by ln a plus a constant c, of course. Based on this, we have 4 questions. I'd like you to pause the video, copy these questions, solve them, and then look into my suggestions. So the formula can be easily applied here. We need to find integral of 2 to the power of x minus 3. So a is 2 for us. Now coefficient of x is 1, so we don't really have to multiply or divide by anything. We get here 2 to the power of x minus 3 as such, divided by ln a. A is 2 for us. We get ln 2, right? Plus a constant c. For part b, it is 5 to the power of 3 minus 2x. So this will be 5 to the power of 3 minus 2x. Now here, what should you divide by? The coefficient of x is minus 2, right? So we'll write here minus half, correct? Ln of the base, which is 5. So we get ln 5 here plus c. So that becomes the solution. Now part C and D are slightly tricky. You may have to work with the integrand and then find the integration, right? So take your time, review the concepts of logarithms. This is very important, right? So the expression given here is e to the power of x ln a, right? So it is basically e to the power of, ln is log to the base e, right? So you could also think about log to the base e and a to the power of x, correct? Does that remind you of something? Now e and log e are inverse functions, right? So what we get here is a to the power of x dx. Clear? And then you can now write the integral of this, which is, you can use this formula, a to the power of x over ln a, right? Plus c, correct? See how we may have to work with it. So from now onwards, these 5 formulas which you have learned will have a review exercise where the combinations will be tested. Now the second one here, part D, is integral of 2 to the power of 3 log to the base 2 of x, right? So we could write this as 2 to the power of log to the base 2 x cube, right? dx. Now 2 and log to the base 2 is inverse of one another, right? So we get x cube here. So in fact, this is not a to the power of x. It is x cube, and we need to find the integral of this. So we'll use our formula number 1, where the answer should be x to the power of 3 plus 1, which is 4, divided by 4 plus c, correct? So that is how we are going to answer this. So moving forward, you might have to work a bit more with the integrand and then find the integral. So I hope that makes sense. Now after this, we'll take a quiz, right? So we'll have a small quiz in the next video. I'd like you to move on to the next video and solve the 4 questions. Hope you're finding it interesting and useful. Feel free to write your comment, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.